Welcome to this video on basic SQL commands. SQL or structured query language is used to interact with the databases. In this video, we will cover the four essential CRUD operations: select, insert, update and delete, which are fundamental to database management. The select command is used to retrieve data from a table. You can specify columns and use conditions to filter results. For example, this query fetches the names and ages of employees older than 30. The insert command allows you to add new records to a table. You specify the columns and provide values. For example, this query adds a new employee named John Doe, aged 35. The update command modifies existing data in a table. Always use a where clause to specify which records to update. For example, this query updates John Doe's age to 40. The delete command removes records from a table. Be careful, without a where clause, it deletes all records. This example removes John Doe from employee table. To wrap up, always use where clauses in update and delete to avoid unwanted changes. Regularly backup your data and optimize queries for better performance. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe my channel for more information about the SQL commands.